Hi, my name is Meera Shrestha and I am with the Gwinnett County Public Library. This is the second episode of the Resources for New Immigrants series. In this episode, I will talk about resources on finding a job. Finding a job is not an easy task for anyone, especially for new immigrants. Knowing more about job search methods and application processes can help in getting a job. There are many places to look for a job in the United States depending on the type of job you are looking for. Whether it is temporary, short-term or long-term jobs, asking your friends, family members and neighbors about job opportunities will increase your chances of getting a job. You may look for the help wanted or hiring signs on the local businesses and also visit the business offices to meet the hiring manager to find out the job openings. Some job openings are also posted in local newspapers' classified section under employment. The State Department of Labor also has information about job opportunities. Here in Georgia, the Georgia Department of Labor has online resources available through Employ Georgia to help you find a job. In addition, USA.gov also lists all types of government jobs, and the Ability Jobs lists the jobs for applicants with disabilities. You can also find several job websites such as Indeed, LinkedIn, Career Builder, where you can look for job openings. You may visit local public libraries to access all of these resources online if you do not have computer or internet access at home. Applying for a job involves multiple steps. Once you find a job opening that matches your interests and qualifications, you may be asked to fill out a job application. The form will ask you about your personal information with your education and past work experiences. You will need a resume that summarizes your employment history, qualifications, career goal, and references for your employer. You might also want to submit a cover letter. Although some companies do not require it, a cover letter gives you an opportunity to showcase your skills and demonstrate why you are the best candidate for the position. The employers may ask for your references to whom they may call to find out more about you. Some employers may require you to have your education and certificates evaluated by U.S. credential evaluation agencies. It is important to meet the deadline for a job application. Once the employer reviews your application and resume, you may be contacted for an interview. Preparing for an interview is the key. A job interview is an important step to show that you are a good fit for the job. To know more about the job and the company, you could visit the company's website and social media information. Read brochures and job descriptions and learn as much as you can before the interview. Also, it will be helpful to review some of the common interview questions. Reviewing them makes you confident in answering the questions. You can practice answering those questions such as how you qualify for the position, what are your strengths, how you work in a team, and how you contribute to the organization. You will have an opportunity to ask questions to interviewers at the end of the interview. However, pick questions that will show your interest in a job and the organization. It is important to dress appropriately to look professional for the interview. After the interview, it is a good idea to send a thank you note and express your continued interest in the position. Once you are offered a job and you accept it, the hiring process involves completing several documents. You may be required to verify the employment eligibility and asked to fill out the Section 1 of Employment Eligibility Verification Form, which is also called Form I-9. You may also be asked to provide the documentation that shows your identity and authorization to work in the United States. You may be required to fill out other forms such as Employees Tax Withholding Certificate, also called Form W-4, which tells your employer to withhold taxes. In addition to salary, some employers offer other benefits such as insurance for health care, dental care and vision care, life insurance and retirement savings. For your paycheck, the employer may pay weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. Your paycheck will show the amount taken out for taxes and other deductions. Some jobs may require you to take a drug test and background check. Here are some references with links to the websites. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you will find this information and resources useful. If you need assistance on accessing any of these resources, please visit Gwinnett County Public Library or your local public library. Thank you.